Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor K.V. Narasimhan. Lecture number 35, Vector Integration, 15th lecture, Gauss Divergence Theorem. Previous problems are just verify Gauss Divergence Theorem, but here apply Gauss Divergence Theorem. Apply Gauss Divergence Theorem. If the given question contains double integral, then find the opposite integral, triple integral or divergence of f dv. If the given question contains triple integral, then find double integral of f dot n ds. So in this problem, by transforming into triple integral, nothing but apply Gauss divergence theorem, evaluate double integral of, so double integral is given x cube dy dz plus x square y dx dz plus x square z dx dy, where S is the closed surface enclosed by the cylinder and the circular disc. This is same as diagram is same as the previous problem. Now what is the given question? Now before going to the question, what is this form? If you observe, actually this is not required, just for understanding. Just for understanding, I am writing this methodology. This is method. Here x cube, what is the given term? This is nothing but f dot n ds. X cube dy dz plus x square y dx dz plus x square z dx dy. Okay. Now listen carefully. Just only for understanding, I will take, this is f1, this is f2, this is f3, f1 into dy dz plus f2 into dx dz, just only for understanding, dx dy. If S is projection on xy plane, what is ds? ds equals to dy dz by modulus of n dot k. Okay, in this situation I will take dy dz equals to f1 into n dot k ds. In the similar way, f2 into n dot j into ds. This is f3 into n dot I into ds. Okay, rewriting the terms. Now rewriting the terms, just interchange these two, f1 k dot n ds sorry, this is I will change it. This is I, this is k, dy dz by modulus of n dot a. Now this is f1i dot n ds. Now this is f2j dot n ds. This is f3k dot n ds. So dot n ds is the common term, f1i plus f2j plus f3k dot n ds. This is nothing but f dot n ds. Initially we assume this one. So this is same as, I think I will write here, consider, instead of this one. Okay, consider this one. Now this value is this one, finally f dot n ds. So what is our observation? dy, this is called Cartesian form. So here dy dz quotient is f1, dx dy quotient is f2, dx dy quotient is f3. Now this is method, just for understand Cartesian form, changing into the Cartesian form. Now what is f1 here? solution starting. Let f1 equals to x cube, f2 equals to x square y, f3 equals to x square z. Now look at this one. Okay. Now find the f value. F equals to f1i plus f2j plus f3k is nothing but x cube I plus x square yj plus x square zk. Now what about divergence of f? Divergence of f is dou by dou x of x cube, dou by dou y of x square y, dou by dou z of x square z. Now this is 3x square plus x square plus x square, 5x square. Now by Gauss divergence theorem, what is the Gauss divergence theorem? Double integral of f dot n ds, nothing but the given problem, equals to triple integral of divergence of f dv. Okay. Okay, now left hand side is double integral of the given problem, x cube dy dz, x square y dx dz, x square z dx dy equals to triple integral of divergence is 5x square dx dy dt over the volume P. Now integration. What about x limits, y limits and z limits? Now this is 5 into x square dz dy dx. You may write any order, then no problem. Now z values are given. Now this is a cylinder, already we discussed in the earlier problem. Z equals to 0 to b, z is 0 to b, and the circle equation. Okay, circle in x y plane, this is 0 to b. Circle in x y plane is nothing but x square plus y square equals to a square. So y equals to plus or minus root over a square minus x square. So this is minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square. After finding y limits, x equals to plus or minus a to plus a. Okay, first integrate with respect to z, then we will integrate with respect to y and x. 5 integral x is minus a to a, y is minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square into integral dz is z, 0 to b limits dy dx. Okay, limits 5b into x is minus a to a, y is minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square dy dx. If we observe, now this is even function with respect to y and also with respect to x. Now using the formula integral minus a to a f of x dx equals to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx, if fx is given. So we are using this formula. Okay. Now this is 2 times here, 2 times, 4 times, 4 5s are 20b x is 0 to a, y is 0 to root over a square minus x square into x square dy dx. Now integrate with respect to y. 0 to a x square y, 0 to root over a square minus x square dx. Okay, I will write here 20b into x is 0 to a x square into root over a square minus x square into dx. Now ordinary integration with respect to x. Now put x equals to a sin theta, dx equals to a cos theta d theta. Then what happened? This integral is 20b into theta. X square is x is a cos theta, a sin theta, a square sin square theta into right. Okay. Now square root of a square sin square theta dx equals to a cos theta d theta. Okay. Theta value is 0 to pi by 2, already known simple method. If x is 0, sin theta is 0, theta is 0, x equals to a, theta is sin theta is 1, theta equals to pi by 2. Here a square, here a square under the root a, here a. So a square a power 4, 20 a power 4b, theta is 0 to pi by 2, sin square theta into root over 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta into cos theta cos square theta d theta. Now this can be written as 5a power 4b, theta is 0 to pi by 2, 2 sin theta cos theta whole square d theta. So 4 5s are 20. Okay, then no problem. This is 2 sin theta, sin 2 theta. Theta is 0 to pi by 2, sin square 2 theta d theta. Sin square 2 theta can be written as theta is 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2 d theta. Now integration. 5a power 4b by 2 into theta sin 4 theta by 4, 0 to pi by 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. If you put theta, okay, 2 is not required. 2 is already common. Okay. 5a power 4b by 2 pi by 2. If you put theta equals to pi by 2, sin 2 pi is 0. If you put theta equals to 0, both terms are zeros. So finally your answer is 5a power 4b by 4 is the answer, and also pi. So what is the conclusion? Hence double integral of f dot n ds, nothing but the given problem is 5 pi a power 4b by 4 is the answer. This is the given. This is nothing but left hand side is nothing but given integral. So in the similar way we can solve same procedure. Same procedure. Here f is directly given. F is directly given, divergence of f. 4 minus 4y plus 2z. Now by Gauss divergence theorem, double integral of f dot n ds equals to, just find the triple integral, divergence of f dv over the volume P. Now this is triple integral of divergence of f is 4 minus 4y plus 2z dx dy dz, and same procedure like our previous problem. Z limit 0 to 3, z is 0 to 3. Okay, I will write only v here, then I will write same procedure like our previous problem. X is minus 2 to 2, y is minus root over 4 minus x square to root over 4 minus x square, z is 0 to 3, 4 minus 4y plus 2z dz dy dx, like our previous problem, similar problem. First, integrate with respect to z. Four z minus 4yz plus 2z square by 2, 0 to 3. X is minus 2 to 2, y is minus root over 4 minus x square to root over 4 minus x square. Now this is 12 minus 12y plus 9 dy dx. If you observe, the middle term is odd function. Odd function integral value with respect to y is 0. So integral minus a to a f of x dx equals to 0 if fx is odd. Okay, so middle integral value is 0. Remaining terms, x is minus 2 to 2, y is remaining terms are even function, no need to write. This is 21 dy dx. So double integral of dy dx is nothing but area of the, here this is nothing but circle, area of the circle, 21 into area of the circle. What is the area? Pi r is 2 whole square. So 21 into 4 pi, that is 84 pi. What is the conclusion? Hence, double integral of f dot n ds equals to, by Gauss divergence theorem, you will get 84 pi. In a similar way, this is also same. Here f is given. Same procedure. xi plus yj plus zk. Divergence of f equals to I equal 1 plus 1 3. Okay. By Gauss divergence theorem, double integral of f dot n ds equals to triple integral of divergence of f dy. So divergence value is 3, triple integral of dv, nothing but volume. V is nothing but volume. Triple integral of dv is volume. Here what is the volume? Okay, you don't know. Then find out the volume. Okay. Suppose if you don't know the volume of the cone, then directly find out the value. Okay. Now what is the diagram? Okay. Now diagram is x axis, y axis, Now z equals to 4, up to z equals to 4. Suppose x equals to 0, what happened? Point circle. Z equals to 1, another circle. At z equals to 4, a circle. Sorry. Now this is the cone. Cone. This is z. What is the height? Height. This is right circular cone. Now what is the height? Height equals to 4 units. Here z equals to 4. So if you don't know the formula, directly integrate x, z limit 0 to 4, z is 0 to 4, y limits, circle radius is at the circle 16 is the okay, minus root over 16 minus x square to root over 16 minus x square. Then the x value, if you put just substitute y, z equals to 4 here, then y is 0, so 0 to 4 dz dy dx. 3, x is 0 to 4, y is 0 to root over minus. Here even function, so I will write 2 into 2 4 times. 16 minus x square into integral dz is z 0 to 4 dy dx. Or you may take it as square root of minus square root of 16 minus x square minus 4, then no problem. So you will get 12. X is minus 4 to 4, y is minus root over 16 minus x square to root over 16 minus x square dy dx is nothing but area of the circle. 12 into area of the circle. Area of the circle, x square plus y square equals to 16. 5 into r, 4 square, 12 into 16 pi. Okay, 12 16s are 192. Answer is 192 pi. Okay. So what is the volume? What is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is 3 times of pi r square h. 3 into pi into radius is 4 square, height is 4. Then what happened? 12 into 16 pi is nothing but 192 pi. Okay, you may apply this method directly or solve integral. Both are same. Okay, I will give one homework question to you. Same question, here z square. Same question, homework question f equals to xi plus yj plus z square k. Same y square equals to z square and z equals to 4. Cone, same procedure, but in this problem just you have to integrate like this only, like this methodology only. Okay, I will stop here. In the next class we will discuss about the another model. Okay, thank you very much.